Whether you're gathered with friends and family around an outdoor grill or dashing off a quick weeknight meal on an indoor grill, the right tools can greatly improve your experience. In the Good Housekeeping Institute Kitchen Appliances and Innovation Lab frequently test grilling must-haves, from grills themselves to the essential tools for grilling.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best grilling accessories. So let's get started. Number 1. Kona 360 Degrees Clean Grill Brush. Any grill master or aspiring grill master knows that the grilling experience isn't complete until the grill is clean. While that may be the part you look forward to the least, the Kona 360 Clean Grill Brush helps get the job done quickly and with minimal effort. The unique design combines 3 stainless steel hard-wired brushes in one so that every pass on the grill does the equivalent work of 3 strokes of other grill brushes. In fact, one back and forth stroke will clean off the toughest grill gunk, one happy reviewer says. Unlike other cumbersome grill brushes, the design also allows easy access to the side of the grill grates to ensure that your cleanup job is complete. And, even though the manufacturer claims the bristles are 60% stronger than those of other grill brushes, it works for all grill types, including porcelain, ceramic, and infrared. Number 2. Cuisinart CGS-134 Grilling Toolset. There's a reason Cuisinart is largely preferred by professional chefs and home cooks. It's considered one of the most reliable names in the kitchen game, and this Cuisinart CGS-134 grilling tool set proves why. It comes with 3 basic grilling tools: a grill spatula, a grill fork, and grill tongs, and a heat-resistant glove that protects your hand from the open flame or when lifting the cover off a charcoal grill. Each of the grilling tools has elongated 12-inch stainless steel handles that are finished off with ergonomic, heat-resistant, rubberized grips in bright red. The included wide spatula is a highlight for many customers because it's a true multi-use tool. It not only helps flip burgers and any other grilling meats, but also has an integrated bottle opener, a toothed edge, and a serrated edge. Number 3. Outset QS-78 Skewers. These budget-friendly skewers are a grilling must-have, great for making kebabs of all kinds. Not only are they a great deal, they're also what our cooking pros use in the test kitchen. Our editors like that they lay flat, which is especially helpful to keep food from spinning as you flip the skewers. Number 4. Dropkick your old tongs. Just like a great spatula, a sturdy pair of tongs, like the GRILLHOGS barbecue grill tongs, can take your grilling game to another level. These tongs feature a 16-inch handle that opens up into a scalloped edge clamp that can easily flip hot dogs, while also providing a strong enough grip for heavier duty items, like a T-bone steak. In fact, several customers like that these tongs are sturdy enough that they don't bend like some of their older sets. The stainless steel handle is finished off with oak hardwood that not only adds to the overall design, it also protects your hands as things start to heat up. Plus, many users say the grip is comfortable. The top of the handle features what GRILLHOGS calls a lock and hook. You just pull on the hook to lock the clamp shut and then use the same hook to hang the tongs on your grill until you're ready to use them again. Number 5. ThermoPro TP17 Dual Probe Digital Cooking Meat. With the ThermoPro TP17 Dual Probe Digital Cooking Meat Thermometer, your days of standing over the grill as your meat cooks are long gone. As the name points out, this thermometer is equipped with two independent probes that allow you to monitor the temperature of different pieces of meat simultaneously. While you can manually enter an ideal temperature, the ThermoPro also helps take the guesswork out of food safety, since the device includes preset USDA temperatures for all different types of meat, like pork, beef, chicken, and even fish. As you're grilling, the temperatures pop up on a large LCD screen that displays the set temperature goal and current temperature of the probe reading. Once your meat reaches the set goal, the thermometer will beep and flash to let you know your meat is ready. That was our list of the top 5 best grilling accessories just for you.